Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and Chevy fans, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. The legendary Chevy Silverado SS is back for 2025, and it's meaner, faster, and more powerful than ever. Buckle up as we take an in-depth look at this high-performance beast. The 2025 Silverado SS isn't just a truck, it's a statement. With a wider, more aggressive front fascia, a blacked-out grille featuring the bold Chevy bow tie, and menacing LED headlights, this truck means business. The aerodynamic hood vents hint at the beastly power lurking underneath, while the 22-inch gloss black wheels wrapped in performance tires make sure it grips the road like a sports car. From the side, you'll notice the lowered stance, signature SS badging, and a performance-tuned suspension that keeps this powerhouse planted. And check out the dual exhaust setup and sporty rear spoiler. Chevy isn't just playing around. This truck is built for performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for thrill seekers. The Silverado SS comes loaded with premium leather bucket seats featuring SS embroidery and contrast stitching. The flat-bottom, suede-wrapped steering wheel screams performance, and the digital gauge cluster keeps you informed with real-time performance stats. Tech lovers, you're in for a treat. The 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen comes with Chevy's latest software, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system. And let's not forget, there's a heads-up display that projects speed, G-forces, and even track mode settings right onto the windshield. Now, let's talk about what really makes the 2025 Silverado SS a monster, the engine. Under the hood sits a supercharged 6.2L V8, cranking out a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. That's right, Chevy took inspiration from the Camaro ZL1 and stuffed it into a full-size truck, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system. The Silverado SS rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds. And the exhaust note? Pure American muscle. But this isn't just a straight-line bruiser. Chevy fine-tuned the suspension, added performance-tuned magnetic ride control, and upgraded the brakes to massive Brembos. Whether you're on the track, the streets, or the back roads, this SS can handle it all. So there you have it, the 2025 Chevy Silverado SS, a truck that combines brute power, cutting-edge tech, and aggressive styling. The question is, are you ready for it? Let me know in the comments. Would you take this over a Ford Lightning or a Ram TRX? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic automotive content. Until next time, keep those engines roaring.